channel. So today we will be making one of the best paper planes. It's called a glider if you've heard of it. Let's get straight into it without wasting any time. So the first step is to fold the page in half. Take your time. The next step is to open it up and fold the corners to the center line that we have just created. Do that to the other corner too. The next step is to fold this part down. It's kind of hard to explain. It would be easier just to follow along. And then, if you can see these corners, you need to fold that to the center again. And then repeat that with the next corner. You should look like this after you've done what I've said until now. The next step is to fold this corner upwards like that. Now, turn it around and then fold this in half. The last and final step is to take this corner and make the wings. If you can see this line and you see this line, those two should come together. Like this. And repeat with the other side. As you can see, our paper plane is done. Enjoy and have a safe flight.